Okay, I'm gonna try this again.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
This is our old spacer. This is our new ones. Could probably just stick the old one on here. Looks like that's a factory one, so that's probably been reused a couple of times here. It's between 2 and 3. So I think it's best to use the old one, because we're not going to be able to get that with the new ones. Press our new one on here. Try again. Alright, got our pinion back in. Now, set these gears back up in there. This is Nick from NCR over here in St. George, and this is going to turn this video around from a how not to this is how you do that.
How do you set up gears? Call in a professional.
How do you set up gears? Maybe, yeah, call the guy down the road, because that's a nice one. So Nick was able to help me out and get me to where we got the gears in and everything's correctly set. Now all I gotta do is put her back together, which I think I can handle. But it was awfully nice of him to come down and help me out. But I have to say, even among the competition around this area, everybody still works together. If somebody has a broken tool, they can go over to another shop and have them help them out.
Yeah, I don't feel like there's a whole lot of like spite and animosity.
No, everybody seems really cool. Even the companies that have moved in here, they come by and they say, hey, I'm moving in down the street, and you're just like, cool.
Yeah.
If I have extra work, I'll send it your way. Alright, axle's in, retainer in. So, everything's still feeling good. I got the rear diff cover cleaned up, and I think that's our next step. Let's get the rear diff cover on, get some fluid in it. Got our gear oil with limited slip additive already in it. And just fill it up until it pours out onto your table here. This doesn't come in the container anymore. Now it comes in these baggies, which I know they're just doing to save money, but I'll tell you what, it is kind of easier to get that shit in there. There she is. Pretty much 3 on the nose. That's new gears in your rears.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, One job and